It's just sliding in the case, maybe. We wanna.
Say again?
Maybe it's just sliding up and down in the case.
Okay, it's probably the downline.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take a look while it's out. Okay. Let's furl up the J3 at the very least. What's that?
On the right.
Yeah. So I take the upline, Jack.
Right, it's not possible, it's brand new. Okay, we're gonna have to, because the downline's broken, so we jibe. Because with the water hitting it, it's like pushing it up and down.
Okay, yeah.
Same issue as leg one?
Yeah, the poor downline broke, but it's 2 days in, it's a brand new road. It's almost gone through on the other side as well, huh? Like we can't get through a leg with like this. So
What do you think the best course of action is?
well, obviously change it out, and then I think all we can potentially do is leave it on a winch. And then
We can leave it on a winch. And the main sheet becomes the utility winch for everything.
okay.
I gotta take that over here.
Hours into a 30-day leg, we had the exact same thing happen to us. It's ridiculous. I can't. We're just handicapped, you know. Didn't change the cover. Did change the cover. Didn't put it in the right spot. I don't know. First covers lasted August to May. Probably have 10,000 miles on it. This one has 600. Maybe we're sailing faster, maybe we're sailing harder, maybe we got different people making the rope, maybe it's different rope, you know. Every time you think you get to the bottom of something, there's another story, you know.
Okay, getting to the spectrum cover. It's getting hard again.
Happy for them to keep going? Okay, hold.
Do you want to go foil back out? If you're okay with it, we will. Yes, I'll just watch it and then go. Okay, and then I'll put the box back on, then we're done. Okay. We'll go back out. Have to keep an eye on it and eventually move its position every...
Yeah, what I was thinking, every word, every 2 watches.
For sure we keep the leeward one on the winch. And then the windward one we maybe move every...
8 hours?
Yeah, we'll see how it degrades. That's 155, okay? What would the keel up? You okay? Good to go.